What's up, Essence, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl J Essence, and I'm back with a brand new video. So in today's video, guys, we'll be doing this low sleek puff honey that we achieved today. I'm really loving it, and to be honest, it's one of my best sleek puffs I've done in a long while. So honey, you better stay tuned to watch this video. All right, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is J Essence, and I'm super happy that you found us. Don't forget to subscribe because honey, you are gonna be coming back for more. All right, definitely. So yeah, if you want to see exactly how I achieve this nice sleek puff, yes guys, please stay tuned to this video. And again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe to the fam. So now we're gonna be getting into it, doing our sleek puff. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna give you the things that you will need for this. So I personally like to use, until I find another regimen, I may test out a couple more, but until I find something else that works, this is what works for me, okay? My Girl Snot Gel with my Got To Be Glued freezing spray. This does the trick with holding my flyaways. I am going to be needing at least 4 scrunchies. If it's a case that you definitely want it extra neat, extra fine, then more scrunchies the better. You're gonna be needing a brush, something like this, and a big tooth comb. So for me and my sleek puff, I've already pre-sectioned my hair in 5 sections. So I have a big one around here, right, 2 here, and these 2 at the front. This actually makes it a tad bit easier for me to manage and really get the look that I'm going for. Guys, I want to let you guys know that I actually cut off some of my hair ends. Like, to be honest, this is me that didn't want to give up the bad things in life just because it looked a little better. So I finally decided to give up the bad things, which is my split end. So right now my hair is fully black. You guys know I really like my hair with a tad bit of color. So we're just gonna let it flush a little bit more, and then we ropes it a little color in it. Okay, right, I've been holding on to them for a long while because it looked up, you made my hair a little longer, add a few inches, but it's here, it'll grow back, right? Let's get into the doing of the hair, okay? All right guys, so first things first, I am going to get my scrunchie and just to the top, because we're gonna work at the back section first. So as I said, you can actually spray on it, but right now I had already sprayed it, so it's a bit more manageable for me. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be glue. So I use like a very generous amount most of the times. So the generous amount here, and just add it to the hair. And then I use my brush now to brush everything in. Once I have the back a little scrunched in, right, I'll be using one of these now to really do it. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And to be honest guys, just ensure that you're not doing it extra time, because it's gonna come back and haunt you if you actually go especially low, too low, that is done, it's gonna harm you. So that was one section. Section 2 is gonna be these 2 together. So let's see what that is here. Here, the big tooth comb I told you about, so that's where this is gonna come in really handy.
Alright guys, so the second section is a repeat of the first. So after combing that out, you're going to be applying the Gorilla Snot and then brushing that into the hair, and then we hold that section with our scrunchie.
Front now is where I'm going to be doing each section by each section, and this is where the Got To Be glue spray is going to come in, right? Comb it out a bit. So as I was saying, my dry scalp has been dry scalping, so just in case you see any dry scalp, guys, as I said, I have been caring for my hair as I should for these past couple of weeks. So it's a little dry and crusty, okay? It's gonna get like some TLC by this week's end, which is why we're just doing the sleek puff vibe. So for the front part, after I lather it, then I'm gonna get my free spray, because this is where the work comes in. Yeah, give it a moment to like just dry down. So after it has dried down, guys, I'm gonna just take my comb again, just nicely comb that in. That's how it's looking right now. Then we're gonna use one of our scrunchie again to pull that part in. And let me tell you guys, if it's a one gift that God did not give me, is the gift of doing edges. Just never get the gift there. I cannot do edges to save my life. So you're gonna see bare without edges, and sometimes I may attempt, it may look a little alright, but like the whole razzle dazzle and curl up something, it's not me, okay? And then the final scrunchie for the day is what we're gonna be doing, using right now. Because as I said, our aim is to get rid of as much flyaways as possible. So I'm gonna go back in with my Got to Be the glue spray all over the hair, right? Especially the front part. You get a little tingy feeling. But you know, beauty comes with pain, point blank period. All right, so after we do that now, we'll go back in and just whoops with the brush. And then again, because I said I want it sleek as possible, go back in with the edges part. I said the girl is no pro with the edges, but you know, we try to do what we can do, or we can do it. Alright? Alright. It's been a while since I've gotten a sleek puff like this, and it's so great that I'm doing it while videoing. So that's great, that's an achievement for both of us, right? Alright guys, so because we want it to be as sleek as possible, I'm going to be tying it down for a minute. About a nice 15 minutes until like the glue kind of dry down on the hair. So this is how the doll kind of keep her stuff. So I'm back. It's been like about 5 to 10 minutes, you know, not too long. So I'm going to reveal the hair to y'all, okay? So, loosen that out. Who ready for the gym roll? Oh my god, baby. Hunty, and just puff out the back because it's a puff, right? Maybe some puff at the back, honey bunches. So guys, I want you guys to vote on it though. Like, y'all think I should color back my hair? Because the black hair is giving a look of vibes still, you know, but I just like the color though. But y'all let me know. But anyways guys, this is the reveal of my Low Sleek Puff, honey. It's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. I'm in love. I'm loving it. It's serving. The black hair is a vibe right now. A little up close. Serving, it's definitely giving. And I'm liking it, to be honest. So that is it guys. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all subscribe. Until next time, I'll definitely see you in the next one.